Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do big eye filter on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the message icon and click on search, and here you need to search for the shop, and then you need to click on that, and this is the lens, and you simply need to record a video. Okay, once you record a video, you simply need to click on save and save that video in gallery. Once you save that, you simply need to open TikTok and click on post and click on uploads. Okay, and then you need to select that video and click on next, and then you need to click on next again and post that video on TikTok. So this is a process by which you can do this effect on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.